The average American home loses approximately 10,000 gallons worth of water every single year due to leaks. Many of these go unnoticed until you get the bill or you see all the damage it's been causing. Hi, I'm Nathan Hussey with Secure. Of the few water leak detectors that occur on the market today, most, if not all, are what's known as a standing water leak detector. Now, standing water leak detectors work by submersing it to the level where the water will touch both of these electrodes. Now, that's very limiting because number one, it requires you to know where the leak will occur, or at least assume where it will occur. Even once it's installed and it's directly underneath where the water is dripping, the water still has to pool up to a level where it's hitting both of those electrodes. Now, while this pooling is happening, damage is being caused to your cabinets, to your floors, to your home. But what if there was a better way? What if we could identify a leak anywhere in the system and then automatically shut off the water to it? Introducing the Secure LeakStop system. By using our actuators and attaching the same valve that we would use in our irrigation system, but then equipping it with an additional state-of-the-art flow sensor, we're able to learn the nominal flow of your system and of your pipes. From there, the flow sensor will monitor those pipes, identifying abnormalities in your flow, indicating either a large or small leak. If a leak is detected, that notification will trigger an automatic close of the valve associated with the zone shutting off the water to the leak. Furthermore, you can segment these devices based off of irrigation zones, rooms in a home, or even apartments in a building. This will allow you to easily trace and service the leak without having to shut off water to the entire building or property. As with our other systems, the LeakStop system operates on the LoRaWAN protocol, which means long range at low data costs. And with our AnyStat app, you can set customizable alerts and automation tailoring the system to your specific application. Water leaks affect all of us, and no matter how small, if unnoticed, can cause catastrophic damage. With the LeakStop system, you can rest easy knowing that your pipes are secure. For more information on the LeakStop or any of our other water saving systems, check out our website or watch our other intro videos on YouTube.